this video, I will be going over some common bike fixes to get your bike running better. You might not have even known you had to do these. So first we're going to fix your gears from skipping. You might have noticed these, or I'll just show you what it looks like. So if your drivetrain sounds or looks like this, all you need to do is tighten the cable a bit. To do that, you just turn this barrel on the shifter, half turn to the left. Now it's fixed. Next, we're going to fix the alignment on your disc brakes. So if you can tell these are rubbing, you might need to do this. If not, you can just skip this. So first, you loosen these little bolts right here and grab 2 business cards. And put one on either side between the rotor and the brake pads, and move the braking mechanism until there's enough space for 1 card on each side. And tighten it back up, pull the cards out, and your brake should be nice and aligned. Finally, we're going to clean your chain. For this, all you need is a part of an old t-shirt, and the only other thing you'll need is some chain oil, or just WD-40 works. So first, put your bike on a stand or just turn it over, as long as the rear wheel can move freely. And put your rag like this and apply the chain oil as you crank the pedals, making the chain move. It might take a little while by yourself, but you'll get it done eventually. And just do that for a little bit, and you can go ride and your chain will be sounding nice and smooth. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out.